We're gonna do an unboxing. This is from Souders Hardscapes. Souders Hardscape Supply. They're from New Holland. We just recently spent a week there, and I got to hang out and do all kinds of stuff, run some cool equipment. So let's see what they sent me. Actually, I already opened this. Yeah. Check it out. A book bag. Let's see what's in it. Wow. We got safety glasses. We got a knee brace. Wow, this stuff looks exactly like the stuff that I left there last week. This is amazing. Got glasses. Let's see. Wow, my prescription and everything. Time-lapse camera, so I'm sure there's plenty of super awesome footage on this thing. So yeah, pretty big day whenever you get something shipped to you that you leave behind.